Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, let's see and let's check who is thinking of you and why. Okay? So, yeah, you can check your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus and your North Node kung alam po ninyo yung mga placements ninyo. Okay? So, syempre, para hindi lang yung zodiac sign ninyo yung papanoodin, no? Yung titingnan, oo. Madalas, yung mga ganito, nasa mas nakaka-resonate pag moon sign, no, yung pinapanood. Oo. Okay, let's see. Yeah, hindi naman masama kung zodiac sign lang ninyo yung alam nyo. Okay. So, again, please, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa ating mga protection, pang protection from evil eye, ang ating love bracelet, yung ating granter. Okay, so yeah, just message me. And syempre, ganun din pagdating sa private reading. Okay, so si love bracelet, okay, ito siya. For singles, pwede yan sa singles, pwede yan sa may mga conflict, sa mga karelasyon, sa mga may kahiwalayan, okay? So, yung ating granter necklace, so ito siya. Let me show you. Okay, so yan si granter. This is unisex. Okay? So, kung may iba pang mga tanong, and yung isa, yung bago natin, okay, yung bago natin. So, unahin ko muna itong mga protection. Okay, so ito yung ating ring, necklace, bracelet. Okay, and ito pa yung isa nating bracelet. Okay, so di ba may mga ganto-ganto pang keme. Okay, so yan. Okay, protection po ito ha, from evil eye. Okay, protection from evil eye. Hindi po ito evil. May nagtatanong kasi, Madam, nakakatakot naman yung item mo. Bakit evil? No! Okay. Protection from evil eye. Okay? Ano po yung evil eye? Yung mga sabihin natin mga energy na ibinabato sa iyo na ibang tao, or sabihin natin mga hindi magandang energy, negativities, like basta anything hindi maganda, okay, na ibinabato sa iyo na ibang tao, whether they know or hindi, mga ganyan. So puprotektahan ka niyan, okay, para hindi masabotahe yung energy mo, okay, lalo na if you're manifesting something, okay. So andyan na yung dala ng galit, inggit, kung ano man, okay, yun yung mga puprotektahan ka niya sa mga galit, sa mga inggit, kung ano man. Okay, so ito yung ating bago. Okay, for cord cutting, this is unisex po, ha? Okay, so ganito siya. Yan, okay. You can wear this. This is a necklace in necklace form. Okay, you can wear this. Pero if medyo nalalakihan ka, pwede mo namang lagay sa iyong purse, sa iyong bag, basta hindi ilalayo. Okay? Huwag mo ilalayo. Okay, so kukunin namin yung real name mo. Wala ka nang wala ka nang gagawin pagdating sa cord cutting. Wala kang gagawing part. Okay, ang gagawin mo lang part is kailangan laging nasa sayo to, laging malapit sayo. Okay, so ganyan siya. Yan. Okay, ito yung sabihin nating something na magbablock doon sa mga inalis natin. Okay, sa mga inalis ko. Okay, mula sa past. Okay? So, ito yung parang magbibigay ng protection. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, ito yung likod niya. Diba? Ang ganda. May mga stones yan. Okay? So, yeah, papataasin ito ang energy mo, frequency, mga ganyan. Okay, syempre, yun naman talaga ang nagiging resulta every time we're cutting energies from the past. Okay? So, yun po ha. Okay, so, kung may iba pang tanong, just message me. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, let's start the reading. All signs. Who is thinking of you and why? Okay, who is thinking of you and why? Okay, Aries, who is thinking of you? At bakit kanya iniisip? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? Aries, sino nag-iisip sa'yo at bakit kanya iniisip? The Magician in reverse, pwedeng Virgo. Somebody na maalam pagdating sa mga, sabihin natin mga ganitong gawain, okay? Marunong. That's specific, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Some of you, hindi maganda ang komunikasyon yun itong taong to. What's with this Magician in reverse? Why? Why are they thinking of you? Strength. I don't know, pwedeng ikaw kasi itong binlock mo or hindi mo pinagpapansin lang. Talaga, I think yung blockage dito ang isang dahilan kung bakit yung energy niya is laging punta ng punta sa'yo, iniisip ka. Okay? Some of them, you have a strong connection, spiritual. Some of you. Nakakita rin ako dito, pwedeng kaklase mo. Okay? Teacher mo. Yeah. Okay, highly thinking of you. Some of them, nandun talaga yung galit or sabihin nating inggit. In general, may inggit itong taong to. Pero hindi mo pinapansin. Napaka-specific nito, Aries. Okay? Pwedeng ginard mo yung sarili mo from them because they're not giving ng magagandang energy or what. Okay? Pwedeng binlock mo tong taong to kasi alam mong kailangan mong i-block. Yeah. So, malakas ang fire sign like you. Aries, Leo, Sag. We have here Leo, big Leo placements, and meron ding Virgo. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng asawa mo to. Pwedeng kasal kayo. Okay? So, there. Next. Okay, Taurus. Taurus placements. Who is thinking of you and why? Sino bang nag-iisip sa'yo, Taurus? At bakit ka niya iniisip? Tingnan natin. Okay? Taurus placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, the 5 of Pentacles. Some of them, iniwan mo to, inalisan mo, nilayuan mo. Some of them, mayroon silang money issue. This person always need you. I don't know bakit mo inalisan or pwedeng sila yung lumayo. I don't know. Anong meron? Pwedeng earth sign like you. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Anong meron? Bakit kanya iniisip? The Queen of Wands. Oh. Alam mo, Taurus, I'm getting an energy here ng in general, kailangan ka ng taong to. Okay? And I think, kaya kanya iniisip kasi parang ikaw lang yung alam nila na pwedeng makakatulong sa kanila in general. In general. Okay? Malaki ang tiwala sa'yo ng taong to or talagang mataas ang tingin sa'yo nitong taong to. Alam nila like makakatulong ka sa kanila. Okay? We're talking about general here. Okay? Some of you, this is someone na pwedeng kailangan lang niya ng tulong sa'yo financially. Nahihiya rin siya. May mga taong nag-iisip, no? Nang sa'yo lumapit pagdating sa pamimera. Okay? Pwedeng may issue sila sa pera and ikaw nakikita nila someone na pwedeng makatulong sa kanila like financially. Okay? That's specific. Yeah. Some of you, itong taong to na-reject mo actually. If this is romantic, you rejected this person. Iniisip ka niya kasi gusto ka. Gusto ka ng taong to. Pero yun nga lang, some of them nakakaramdam ng nai-intimidate sila. Okay, nai-intimidate sila sa'yo. Pero yes, they like you. Physically, they admire you. Okay? So there. There's a teacher, like teacher. Okay? Anyway, so there. Next. Gemini, who is thinking of you and why? Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Gemini, who is thinking of you and bakit ka nila iniisip? Okay, this is general. Okay? Hindi lang all about love. Okay. Gemini. The moon. Some of them, they're too silent. They're deep. Pwedeng water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Mysterious, secretive. Okay, why are they thinking of you? Why are they thinking of you? The Knight of Cups. So I think this person is hiding their true emotions. I think gusto ka niya. Okay, gusto ka nitong taong to. Yeah. Anong meron sa Knight of Cups? So maybe hindi nila na-express yung totoong emosyon sa'yo. Okay? Hindi nila nasasabi, hindi sila ganun ka-transparent, maybe. They're into you. Okay? Six of Pentacles in reversed. Some of them may money issue. Okay, may money issue. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng tingin mo sa kanya is hindi sila nagiging equal sa'yo. Okay, feeling mo parang wala silang pakialam. Yeah. Yeah, sa bagay. Kasi they're hiding eh. Okay, kung anong totoong emosyon para sa'yo. So, nakikita mo, I think, gusto mo rin tong taong to, sa totoo lang. Yeah, you have this conversation. Okay, some of them, they're too busy. They are too busy. Okay? They like you though. Yeah. Some of you, this person, sabihin nating marami lang option talaga. Okay, or sabihin nating masyado lang talagang busy. Okay, no time for kung ano man like playtime, walang ganun eh. Okay, wala silang panahon para dyan. Some of them, they're a loner. Okay, meron din ditong energy na kaya ito nag-iisip because you rejected an offer from them. You've rejected. Okay? An offer na galing sa kanya. Now, they're thinking of you. They're sad actually. Yeah, they're sad. That's specific. Okay, so we have here water, earth, another water sign, and Pisces. Next, Cancer. So, Cancer, who is thinking of you and why? Who is thinking of you? Cancer, and why? Let's see. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who is thinking of you? Cancer. The Page of Swords. Maybe You caught this person stalking you. Or maybe some of you, you're stalking them. They're watching you. They're curious. They're curious. Some of you, pwedeng kasamahan mo sa work, sa school. Okay? Someone younger, maybe. Or at your age. What's with this Page of Swords in reversed? Air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's with this? Anong meron? Bakit ka nila iniisip? The Six of Swords. They want something pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Okay? They want something good. Maybe something. They're thinking of you like future agad. Something like that. Yeah, the Page of Wands. This person is interested. They're interested. Someone younger. Okay. Some of you, kayo itong parang nagkakatitigan. Okay? Kayo itong parang nagkakatitigan. Across the room, nakikita mo siya nakatingin. Mahuhuli mo siyang nakatingin. Magkakatinginan kayo like that. That's specific. Okay, anong gusto niya? What's with this Six of Swords? Meron siyang gustong mga i-share. And I think gusto niya ng connection with you. Ayoko pang sabihin romantic. Pero, yeah, gusto niya ng connection with you. Okay? Some of them, they want to talk. They want to communicate. What's this Six of Swords? Yeah. Gusto niya ng connection with you. Okay? Yeah. Some of them, pwedeng gusto kang ligawan, mga ganyan. Okay? Some of you, ito aside doon sa message na yun, I think this person, pwedeng kilala mo, they're stalking you right now. And I think some of them, they owe you an apology. They owe you an apology. Alam mong kailangan niya mag-apologize sa'yo. Yeah. So, there. Iniisip niya kung paano siya gagawa ng action towards you. So, that is why. Ito yung taong, I don't know, pwedeng may nahuli ka sa kanya, something like that. Okay? May nakita ka, may nalaman ka. Yeah. Whew. Some of you, you caught them cheating. Okay? You caught them cheating. Or sabihin lang natin, lagi mo lang siyang nahuhuling nakatingin din sa'yo. Mga ganong bagay-bagay ba? Lagi kang may napapansin sa kanyang something. Okay? Anyway, so yeah, we have here, yeah, I think this person has a crush on you. Some of you, may gusto sa'yo. Okay, water sign like you, air, and yeah, another air. Big air placements, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. And the fellow water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, Leo. Leo. Okay, who is thinking of you, Leo? Okay, again, please don't forget, yeah, to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Leo. Who is thinking of you and why? Who is thinking of our Leos? The Seven of Cups in reversed. Someone from your past. Yeah, someone from the past. Why? Why are they thinking of you? Why? They haven't moved on. They want to make a return. Okay, some of you, this is like unexpectedly, they want to make a return. Why? Sabihin nating kailangan lang niya. Okay, kailangan lang niya. Anong meron dito sa Seven of Cups? in reversed. The Nine of Swords in reverse, yeah. Pwedeng gusto lang nito na sabihin nating maka-move on pa. Actually Leo. Ito may share ako sa'yo. Some of you, you're dealing with a person na gusto nang mag-move on from you. Okay, still dealing with a person, still holding on sa isang tao na gusto nang mag-move on from you. Pero nakikita ko, this is like unexpected. They will go back, they will make a return. Okay, pero don't expect something na magkakaroon kayo ng magandang connection again or what. They're coming back. Okay, they'll be back. Dahil gusto lang nilang mag-move on para mapadali yung moving on process na ginagawa nila sa ngayon. Yeah. Okay? So yun. They're releasing their selves sa past. Okay? Sa kung anong nakaraan ninyo. Now, kung ikaw itong nag-entertain sa isang past person, there's tendencies na aalis din yan. Why? You're helping them to move forward. May mga tao talaga na kahit ayaw na bumalik, babalik at babalik kasi yun lang yung way nila para unti-unti kanilang ma-release. Leo, be careful. Okay? Hindi ko sinasabing lahat ganun, pero madalas may mga nangyayari na ganyan. Okay? Alam niyo yun, like on off. Anong nangyayari? Tama na, ayoko na nito. Like that. Okay, yan ka na naman. Yan parang nasasawa ka na. Ganun ang nakikita ko dito sa taong to. They're thinking of you kasi ikaw lang yung option na nakikita nila na pwedeng makatulong sa kanila. To, what? To move on. To heal. Okay? The Tower. Unexpected. Don't expect. Okay? Don't expect kung ano man ang pwede. Kung bumalik man, this is like expect the unexpected. Like that. Yeah, the moon. Kailangan ka lang nito para makausad siya actually. Pwedeng air and water. Oh, I'm sorry. That's so, sad, no? Anyway, okay. Virgo. Okay, so Virgo placements. Okay, who is thinking of you right now and why? Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Virgo. Oh, someone in the workplace who's thinking of you. Someone in the workplace, katrabaho mo, pwedeng kaklase mo, someone na nakakasama mo sa isang environment, maybe. Why? Why are they thinking of you? The Page of Wands. They're interested. They're interested in you. They want to get your attention. Some of you, this person is in another connection right now. Or maybe you. Okay? Or maybe you. This person wants your attention. Okay? Yeah, they want your attention. They want connection with you. They want. See, the Sun. They like you. What else? Aside sa gusto ka, kaya ka iniisip. What's with this Page of Wands in reversed? They want to flirt. Yeah, they want to flirt. They may be thinking, planning how to flirt, how to take action towards you, Virgo. See, they want to flirt. The Ace of Wands in reverse. Some of you, they want sex with you. They're thinking of you sexually. Okay? They're thinking of you sexually. someone in your workplace, pwedeng kaklase mo. Okay, hindi ka man manonood dito, no? Kung kinder ka pa. Kung kinder ka, no? Di ba? Di ka man makaka-resonate dito, no? So maybe if you're still studying, maybe you're a college na. You're in college na, no? Mga ganyang bagay-bagay ba? Okay. Yeah, they're thinking of you sexually. They want you. They like you physically. Ooh. Okay. Some of you, talagang nasa small circle lang kayo ng taong to. Actually, may nade-develop dito, ha. Okay? Kung hindi ka nakikita ng taong to sa ngayon, nakasama mo to, sa environment, nakasama mo to, they're like, lalong may nabubuo, may namumuong emosyon. Okay? May namumuong emosyon sa taong to sa ngayon. Okay? So, fire, Aries, Leo, Sag, and Earth sign, a fellow Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Libra. Okay, Libra placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who is this person thinking of you right now and why? Okay, Libra. Who is thinking of our Libras? Okay, sino nga ba naman ang hindi sino bang hindi nakakaisip, no, kay Libra? O, diba? Sino ba yan at bakit? Oh, the Queen of Cups. They have emotions. They love you. Yeah, they love you. This person loves you. Ano pang meron dyan sa Queen of Cups? They admire you. Maybe they see you as someone who's so very kind, generous, loving person. They admire you. Okay? Some of you, you're admiring din naman sa kanya, I think. Pwedeng Aqua, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You're admiring them. Nababaitan sa'yo tong taong to, sa totoo lang. Okay? Yun ang tingin nila, ha, kahit masama ugali mo. Sa tingin mo, masama ugali mo, nababaitan sa'yo to. Okay? At the High Priestess. This is like, pwedeng intuitively, you know this person is into you. You know na they like you. Yeah. Why? Bakit ka nila iniisip? Aside sa gusto ka, nag-a-admire sa'yo tong taong to. What else? Libra. Anong dahilan ng taong to? Bakit ka nila iniisip? They want to test the water. Yeah, may ganong energy. Anyway. Yeah, Justice. Ooh. They want to be fair. They want to be clear. They want to tell you how they feel. O, diba? Parang tumula. Okay, Justice. This is you. Okay? That is you. That's your energy. Or maybe you're dealing with another, like a fellow Libra. They want to clear things. They want to be clear. What's with that Justice? Yeah. What? Itong taong to, tinatago niya talaga, ha? Yung emosyon niya for you. Okay? Yeah, the Fool in reverse. They're afraid. They're afraid. Iniisip nitong taong to kung paano sila gagawa ng action towards you, kung paano nila ipapakilala yung sarili nila for you, parang ganyan sa'yo, di ba? Gusto nila, mayroong mga gustong i-share sa'yo itong taong to in general. Meron siyang gustong ilathala. Ilathala! na gusto niyang malaman mo. Okay? Yeah, isa na yun. They're into you, they like you, they love you. Okay? They're admiring you. Pero they're scared. They're acting nervous. So maybe that's why some of you tingin mo parang gusto ka. Something like that, di ba? Alam niyo yung pakaramdam na, ay, parang may gusto siya sa akin, like that. Kasi kita mo at ramdam mo sa kilos. Okay? So, if you are like that, sa isang tao, now, this is your, sabihin nating sign na totoo yung nararamdaman mo or yung napapansin mo. Hindi ka nagdidululo lang. Okay? Libra. Ha? Okay? Some of you, you're scaring them. I don't know why. You're scaring them. Okay? Takot sa'yo tong taong to. Sa totoo lang. Pero yes, they like you. Alam mo yun, they acting, yeah, they're nervous. They're nervous. Feeling nervous. every time that you're around, every time you're near, o diba? Yeah. See? The sun. So much attraction in there. Okay, so Aquarius, water, Leo, air, and the fellow Libra. Okay? So next, Scorpio. Scorpio placement. Who is thinking of you right now? And why? Who is thinking of you, Scorpio, right now? At bakit? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Ooh, the Wheel of Fortune. Anong meron dyan sa Wheel of Fortune? The Knight of Swords. I think this person, there's this like pull or magnetic na pull of energy. Gusto niya para siyang namamagnet or para kang namamagnet sa taong to. Okay? Yeah, there's this, sabihin nating energy ng force. Like that. Gusto ka lagi nitong kausap, actually. What's with that Knight of Swords? The Six of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, itong taong to may ginawang action towards you pero you're not responding to it. Okay, you're not responding. They want to communicate. Some of you, they sent you a message pero you're not replying. Scorpio. Okay? Now they're thinking of you highly. Anong meron? Bakit ka pa niya iniisip? Anong meron? Anong dahilan? Bakit ka niya iniisip? So, may chance na, if ever, na hindi ka nagiging pata sa taong to, hindi niya nakikita yung kailangan na makita, makuha, ang dapat makuha, ayun yung dahilan. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Walang nangyayari. Kaya ganyan. I think, itong taong to para yung yung energy is parang like, konti na lang, parang gusto na niyang hilahin yung sitwasyon. Mga ganyan. Okay? Nabobored na siya, actually. Feeling bored. Umuunti na ang pasensya. Parang ganyan. Why the Knight of Pentacles in reversed? Yeah, the Hermit. In reversed. Sa totoo lang, ang pinaka general lang dito, gusto lang niya kumonek sa'yo. Okay? May magnetic pull kasi siyang nararamdaman sa'yo. mapapansin mo lagi kang kausap or sabihin nating lagi kang chinachat or nagpapapansin or what. Pero you're ignoring them. Okay? Wala silang ganung katindi or kasolid na intention kung bakit. Okay? Nagpapadala lang to sa agos, sa current, kung anong kailangan gawin like that. Some of them, they just want to talk. They just want someone to talk to. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Walang masyadong nangyayari sa buhay ng taong to. So, that is why. Pwedeng ikaw yung nakikita niya na pwede, na open. Pero bakit ganon? You're not, equal. Or hindi ko nakikita na kahit konti na atensyon, hindi mo binibigyan to eh. Ooh, you're avoiding them. This is deep, Scorpio. This is deep. Okay. Yeah, the Knight of Wands in reverse. I think some of you don't trust this person that well. You don't trust this person. Okay, pwedeng yun yung dahilan mo. Kasi parang itong taong to, bigla na lang din dumating sa buhay mo nang di mo alam anong meron. So, you can't trust them. You have doubts or whatsoever. Okay? Yeah. Hindi mo alam kung anong meron. Hindi mo alam kung anong intensyon niya, emosyon. Kahit ako confused. Yeah. Oh, some of them, they just want to move on. Okay? To move on from something. From their past. This person is sabihin natin may pagka-loner. Okay? Some of them, they're just talkative. Pagdating through online like that. Pero whenever na personal. Ang tawag dyan, kapag magkaharap na or what, FaceTime or what, hindi na sila ganun ka-communicate. Hindi na sila ganun kagandang ka-communicate or hindi na sila, yeah. They're a loner. They're sad. They just want to move on from something. Okay? And I think, parang sa yun niya lang na nakikita yung comfort or what. Okay? Anyway, this is so deep. Yung energy niya is parang kabigla-bigla. Bakit ka nandito or what? Yeah, this person is giving you a lot of confusion right now. Okay? Maybe you're getting info about this person, you're stalking their profile or whatsoever. Okay? Anyway. Okay, so alisin natin yung ganong energy, no? Or sabihin na, gumawa tayo ng isa pang energy. So, I think this person na pwedeng nag-iisip rin sa'yo, Scorpio. Okay? May chance na itong taong to may kailangan sa'yo. Okay? One more thing, pwedeng hindi mo na to napagbigyan noon, pero bumabalik siya uli. Okay? Some of you, this is talking about finances. Okay? They need you. They need your money. Or I think like, they need your help financially. And ikaw lang yung nakikita niyang someone na pwedeng makatulong sa kanya, I think. Okay, so that is why. So, there. A lot of earth, a little bit of water, okay, and a little bit of air. Next, Sagittarius. Okay, Sag. Okay, who is thinking of you, Sag? Okay, Sagittarius placements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who is this thinking of you? At bakit kanya iniisip, Sag? Okay, 5 of Swords in reversed. Pwedeng air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Some of them, you block this person. Nakakuha ako ng nakukulitan ka sa kanya. Okay? Nakukulitan ka sa kanya. You're blocking this person. You're guarding yourself from them. Okay, bakit? Bakit kanya iniisip? Anong meron? So, maybe if you're ignoring them or maybe you're blocking them, so that is why. What else? Oh! Oh, the Queen of Cups. Parang you stay away from this person. Okay? Parang pinipili mong malayo ka sa kanya. The Queen of Cups is here. Nababaitan sa'yo itong taong to. There's this emotion. Okay? Why? Why the Queen of Cups? The Justice in reverse. The Devil. Oh, the King of Cups. Some of them. This is so specific, Sag. You love this person. You love this person. Pero kailangan mo siyang layuan. Okay? Kailangan mong ialis yung komunikasyon ninyo, lahat-lahat. Kailangan mong i-block, kailangan mong layuan in general. Why? Because you're in a third party situation. Yeah. You're in a third party situation. The one who is thinking of you, nakarelasyon mo to, nagkaroon kayo ng third party or you're in a third party situation with this person. Okay? They still like you, they still want you. Yeah. Some of you, ikaw itong hindi mo na kayang magtiwala sa kanya, pero yeah, nandun yung emosyon mo, actually. Nandun yung emosyon mo. Okay? Gusto na makipag-ayos ng taong to. Pero binablock mo siya. Hindi ka na masisisi, ha? Okay? Some of you kasi namanipula ka nito eh. So that is why you're sabihin natin parang nagbibigay ka na ng healthy boundaries, no? Sa ngayon. You're avoiding them because they're too toxic before. Now, they want to clear things up. Okay, out. Ano ba yan? Litong-lito. Okay. They want to clear things. Sa ngayon. Pero you're pushing them. You're pushing them away. You pushed them away? Sag, did you? Do you? Yeah. Okay. Gustong ayusin ng taong to kung namang dapat ayusin sa inyo. Okay? So, yeah. They're obsessing. Okay. So, there. Libra, water sign, fire, and air. Okay, next. Capricorn. Capricorn, who is thinking of you? Who is thinking of our Capricorns? Who is thinking of Capricorn? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Capricorn, so nag-iisip sa'yo at bakit kanya iniisip? Someone na pwedeng hindi open emotionally or maybe ikaw ang hindi open. Okay. Sino ang nag-iisip sa'yo? Capricorn. At bakit? Wala daw. O, diba? Ayan. Hindi, joke lang. Capricorn. Yeah. They have emotion. They like you. They like you. They want to communicate. Some of you, sabihin natin, nag-uusap kayo nitong taong to. Okay? Some of them, they're physically attractive. Okay? Oh. You have a pair. Some of you, kung sinong karelasyon mong iniisip ka niya. Okay? They want. Yeah. Okay. So, what's with this Knight of Wands? Anong meron? So, this person has emotion. Okay. They have emotions. Okay. What's with this Knight of Wands? They like you. Yeah, they want to make it with you. Ano daw? The Seven of Swords. Some of you, pwedeng kasamahan mo to sa trabaho. Okay? Kaklase mo. Oh. Some of you, itong taong to, yeah, pwedeng Virgo. Merong pagtatago akong nakikita dito. They're like acting na hindi sila interested sa'yo. Pero yes, they are interested. Okay? They're trying to look on other situations, or they're trying to keep themselves busy para hindi ma-focus sa'yo yung attention or emotion niya. This person likes you a lot. A lot. Okay? So, now, why are they thinking of you highly? Why? They're being secretive. Tinatago ng taong to na gusto ka, ha? Okay? They're hiding it. Ooh, the King of Pentacles in reversed. I think they're not ready. Okay? Hindi pa sila ganun kahanda, maybe, or I think, Capricorn, you're dealing with another, fellow Capricorn. Some of you, ikaw itong parang binabaliwala mo siya. Hindi naman na yun bago. Let's see. Okay. Ayan naman tayo, diba? King of Pentacles in reverse. Tinalikuran mo itong taong to, so that is why. Or parang hindi mo na siya pinagpapapansin, maybe. Why the King of Pentacles in reversed? Yeah. Simula ng talikuran mo tong taong to, simula ng hindi mo bigyan ng atensyon or kung ano man. Now, ngayon nila naiisip na mag-express ng emosyon na dati nilang itinago. Yeah. They're just waiting for the right timing to do it. Right timing. Okay, now they're not acting. They're not making an action. Waiting. Okay? They like you. Some of you, crush ka talaga ng taong to. Some of you, bata to. Or mas bata. Okay? Alam mo yun, yung hindi mo na siya pinansin or hindi mo na, or sabihin natin kung hindi na kayo nagkikita nitong taong to. Kung hindi na kayo nagkikita, yeah. Tsaka lang to parang nakaramdam ng, ay, kailangan kong i-express to. Parang ganun. Okay? Yeah, they're waiting. Some of you, malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? So, there. Ayaw na nila mag-isip. So, maybe, sa pag-connect sa'yo, mawawala na yung pag-isip or what? Like, stress or afraid. Andun yung nervous. Okay? Yeah. So, Aqua, who is this person thinking of you? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who is thinking of you, Aqua, and why? The Knight of Pentacles. Doing nothing. This person is doing nothing. Pwedeng earth sign. Some of them, they have this money issue. Oh, death. Yeah, may nangyaring ending sa inyo. May nangyaring pag-stop. Okay, pwedeng earth sign, pwedeng Scorpio. Why are they thinking of you, Aqua? The silence is killing them softly. Aqua. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, strength in reverse. They want to unblock kung ano meron. Yeah, they want to end kung ano man yung nagbibigay ng sabihin nating tunog ng kuliglig, no? Ano po yun? Masyadong silent eh. Okay? Gusto nila na parang ibaba na yung guard nila, someone, isa sa inyo gusto na parang magbaba ng guard. Strength in reversed. Yeah. Kailan kaya ako kakausapin ni Aqua? They miss you. Baka busy na si Aqua. Kakausapin pa kaya niya ako? Like that. This is on point. Okay? Iniisip ka niya kasi hindi na kayo nakakapag-usap. Iniisip ka niya kailan mo ba siya i-unblock. Yun lang. Okay? Yeah, someone. Kailan kaya ako i-unblock ni Aqua? Big fire sign placements. Okay, Sag, Aries, Leo. We have here Leo. May nangyaring ending. So, pwedeng may nangyaring breakup with you, breakup sa inyo. Okay, or sabihin natin something na pwedeng in general, may nangyaring ending sa inyo, sa pagitan nyo. Or there's this energy blockage. Okay? So, iniisip ka niya, kailan kaya kami magkikita, kailan uli kami magkakausap, sana i-unblock na niya ako if ever binlock ka or binlock mo to. Okay? So, there. Next. Pisces. Okay, Pisces, who is thinking of you and why? Who is thinking of you and bakit kanya iniisip, Pisces? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. Thank you. Pisces, who is thinking of you? Okay, the Chariot in reverse, pwedeng Cancer. Okay, why is that? Some of them, they're into cars. Okay, ito specific. Some of them may sira sa sasakyan. Hindi ko alam kung paano malalaman yun. Okay, the Chariot in reverse. And the High Priestess. Okay? So, some of you, ramdam mo itong taong to is hindi pa nakaka-move on sa'yo. Okay? This is a big Cancer yan, sign. They can't move on from you. Some of you, this person is stalking you. I think. Okay? Bakit? This is a mysterious person, I think. Anong meron? Ba't kanya iniisip, Pisces? The Four of Cups in reversed. Because of the sabihin natin parang you're the one that got away pagdating sa kanila. Okay? You're the one that got away. So, napaka-importante mo sa taong to, Pisces. Yeah, the Knight of Cups. May pagsisisi ako nakikita rito. Yeah, the Devil. Yeah, pagsisisi. Okay? Sobra. Nagsisisi siya, Pisces. They want to, they're stalking you, see? They're stalking you. They want to have a new beginning with you, I think. They're obsessing, they're depressed. Okay, now na hindi kayo nag-uusap, wala kayong connection, communication, kung ano mansion yan. Okay, yeah, they want a new beginning. Some of you, alam niya na siya yung gumawa ng kung anumang dahilan kaya hindi nagkaroon ng success sa inyo. Okay, there's this in and out, on and off sa inyong dalawa. Okay. They're regretting things. They miss you. They want to communicate. They want to share kung ano man yung mga kailangan niyang i-share, sabihin sa'yo, secrets, like that. Okay? They just want to reach out. They just want to see you. To reconnect. Okay? Now, there's a lot of realization na nangyayari sa kanya ngayon. Sa lahat ng ginawa niya na hindi tama, sa mga bagay na hindi niya pinush through, now they're regretting it. Okay? So, we have here a lot of water sign. This is all about, Capricorn. Okay, and the Virgo. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.